Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is order relation. So what is order relation? Let us see. In order to compare two numbers, we have to adopt the following rules. Say we are given two numbers. How can we compare the two numbers? So there are some rules that we have to follow. Let us see. Rule number 1. The number with less digits is less than the number with more digits. This is very obvious. The number which has less number of digits will be lesser than the number which has more number of digits. Say for example, we have two numbers, 2089 and 12378. So here obviously this number has 5 digits and here it has only 4 digits. So which is less? This is less. So obviously this will be less than this number. Clear? Now moving on to rule number 2. Suppose we have two numbers which have the same number of digits. Then what we will do? Then there are some steps that we have to follow. Step number 1. First we have to compare the digits at the leftmost place. Which is the left? This is the leftmost place in both the numbers. Then what we have to do? Then if suppose both the numbers are same, then what we will do? Then we have to compare the second digit. We have to check if the second digit is similar or not. Even if it is also similar, then we have to check the third. We have to compare the third. Then finally it continues until and unless we get such a digit where there is a comparison between of the digits between both the numbers. This will be clear when we'll see an example. Say in this example we have two numbers. Clear? Here the rest of the digits are similar. You can see 2878, 3878. So for comparison, the only digit that is different or this which varies is this digit 2 and this is 3. So using this rule number 2 and using the steps of the rule number 2, we can come to the conclusion that this number is greater than this number. So clear? You can try out other numbers also by using this rule and definitely you will get the correct answer which is greater and which is lesser than the numbers. Now moving on to some examples. So which number is greater? This or this? Here also we can use the rule and we can easily find out. By using the rule number 1 only we can find out, since this number has 8 digits and this number has 7 digits. So obviously this number will be less than this number. Clear? Now example 2. Here also same thing. Here what we have done is we have used a place value chart. We can also use a place value chart in case when both the numbers have same number of digits. So since both these numbers have same number of digits, we have compared it using this chart. So we have to check it from the left hand side. Okay, not from the right hand side. From the left hand side we have to keep on checking. So here both the numbers have 8 digits. Same thing. At the crores place both the numbers have same digits, namely 9. At the 10th lakh place, you can see here crore place, same thing, same number, same digits. 10 crores place, 10 lakhs place, same digits. Okay, we'll move to the next now. Lakhs place. Here there is a difference. Here one digit is 5 and the other digit is 7. So obviously this digit is greater than this. So as a result, this whole number will be, this means second number will be greater than the first number. So that's it. We've got the difference. Now moving on to the next example. Ascending order and descending order. We all know this. We have learned it in our smaller classes. What is ascending order? From the small to the greatest, smallest to the greatest, and descending order is from the greatest to the smallest. Clear? So let us see this example. If we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, here also they have used this place value chart. It is very efficient because in this way we will not make much errors. So you can try out this place value chart, and then similarly we can compare just by looking which number lies in which place value. The number which lies in greater place value, then it will be greater, and which lies in the smaller place value, it will be smaller. And in case it lies in the same place value, then it will check by using that rule 1 or rule 2 of order relation, and in that way we can find out which number is greater and which number is smaller. Clear? Now next example, descending order. It is just the opposite, from greatest to the smallest. So this is also not much of difficult to do. It is the same way. We have arranged this in the place value chart. Then we will check the digits, which is greater, which is lesser, using those rule number 1 and rule number 2 of order relation. So rule number 1 and rule number 2, or you can say the order relation, is very much important in finding out the ascending or descending, or which is greater, which is smaller. So in this way we can find it out. So you can try out other numbers also. A lot of examples are given in your textbook. You can go through it. So that's it then. Thank you and have a nice day.